Hello everyone, welcome to the Microbiology Hub. In this video, I will give information about Mendeleism. Content. In this presentation, I will cover introduction, gene and alleles, and laws of inheritance. Introduction. In 1856 to 1863, Georg Mendel was Austrian monk. He studied the peas. He breeded the plant and observed the dominant and recessive characters as follows. Round shape seed, seed color yellow, purple color flower, inflated pod shape, yellow pod color, axial flower position, and tall stem height are the dominant characters. Then wrinkle shaped seed, green color seed, white color flower, then constructed pod shape, green pod color, terminal flower position, and dwarf stem height. So these are the recessive characters, and depend and the basis of the dominant and recessive characters. And these studies, he observed, he gave these three laws of inheritance, which is also known as law of dominance, law of segregation, and law of independent assortment. What are the genes? So, genes is the section of the DNA encodes for the certain traits or character. What is alleles? Alleles is the specific form of gene. Genes are responsible for the expression of the traits or character, but alleles are responsible for the variations given that trait and character in the particular target. Genes are responsible for the blood type, seed color, eyes color, and alleles are give variations in the blood groups, then seed colors like yellow or green, eye colors such as brown or black. On the gene segment, dominant and recessive alleles are present. Allele region called as gene loci. Capital letters are Capital letters alphabet denoted dominant character and the small letter alphabet denoted recessive character. So capital P and capital P alleles come together, then we called them capital P genotype and homozygous for a dominant alleles. Small a alleles come together, then we call them small a genotype and homozygous for a recessive alleles. Capital B and small b are come together, then it is homozygous condition. Sorry, heterozygous condition because it contain one capital A and small b. Capital P and small p are the homozygous because both are the capital, and this small a are the homozygous but they are recessive, and capital letter are the dominant, and capital B and small b shows the heterozygous conditions. See here, blood type, father have a blood group A and mother have a blood group B by the genes AO alleles for blood A, BO for blood group B. A and B alleles are a codominance and O is the recessive. In the next generation, blood types occur: blood type A, blood type AB, blood type B, and blood type O. A, AB, and B type are the heterozygous and O is the homozygous for a recessive alleles. Mendel gave the three laws of inheritance. So start with the first law. The first law of inheritance, also known as law of dominance or puberty. Two homozygous parents selected for the testing, where one is the tall P plant, which is denoted by capital T, which is dominate homozygous, and one is a short P, shows denoted by small t, which is a recessive homozygous. After the crossing, all offsprings occurs a tall phenotype with the genotype capital T small t at heterozygous. Here is a tall because there is a dominant character in each of the offsprings. So next is the second law of inheritance, also known as law of segregation. In this experiment, purple color and white color flower selected, and the purple color denoted by capital R, which is homozygous dominant, and white flower is denoted by small r, which is homozygous recessive. After the parent generation crossing, F1 generation will be capital R small r. All are the purple color flower obtained. At the F1 generation, self-pollinated the flowers, the pollen and ovules. So F2 generation will be getting capital R homozygous dominant, capital R small r heterozygous, and small r homozygous recessive. So here phenotype is 1:2, 2:1. Third law, third law of inheritance, also known as law of independent assortment. In this experiment, use four characters: capital Y, small r. Sorry, here use capital R, capital Y, and capital R, which is shows yellow and round as a dominant character, and here small r, it shows green wrinkled as a recessive character. Parent crossing obtained capital Y, capital R small r, and which is phenotype is yellow round character, which is heterozygous. When F1 generation cross with F1 F F1 offspring, so we get a more variations in the seed characters at the genotype. Different offsprings we get. Here capital Y, small r, as we get a different variations in the seed as in a genotypically, but phenotypically we get a 4. So phenotype is 9:2, 3:2, 3:1. So these are the 9 characters are the same. So this is 9, and these 3 are the round green, so 3, and these are the wrinkled yellow seeds for 3, and this is wrinkled green seed for 1. But here is genotype round round yellow 1. As such, these two these two, then the 4 characters, and then again 1, again 2, again 1, as like this genotype happened. So 1:2, 2:2, 2:2, 4:2, 1:2, 2:2, 1:2, 2:2, 1 is a genotype for this third law of inheritance, which is also called as dihybrid cross. So dihybrid cross means that two characters are taken in that. So this is the dihybrid cross. This is the monohybrid cross, which containing of the single character of that the particular target, and here we take in the two characters at a one time. So thank you for watching video. Give a thumbs up to the video and subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends.